In today's video, I'll be showing you how to purchase products via the web version. Alright, first of all, you have to open up your browser and key www.atomy.com/my. Alright, this is the main page of the Atomy website. Okay, so in order to access, right, you need to have your ID and password ready. Okay, alright, so click the login button on the top right. Okay, have your ID, key in your ID and your password. Alright, and then you have click the shopping mall tab on the top. Okay, so this is the daily pop-ups that it's like a newsletter or daily notice. So you can just click close after you have read it. Okay, so the website is actually very easy to browse. As you can see here, it is categorized under a few categories under health, beauty, personal care, home and food. Okay, so if you like to get a specific product, you can just go straight to it. Okay, for example, today I'll be purchasing some products under the home section, okay, or the home category. Alright, so these are all the products that are available under the home category. Okay, so today I like to check out the fabric detergent, so I just click add to cart, click OK. Okay, and also liquid detergent. Okay, if you notice, there's a minus and plus here. It just means that you can add how many items you want or how many quantity you want into the cart. If you want 4, you just click up to 4 and then add to cart. If you want it lesser, just click the minus button and you'll bring it back all the way to 1. Okay, so okay, I'd like to check out this liquid detergent, so I'll click add to cart, click OK. Okay, just say I want something under the beauty section. Okay, and go on to the beauty tab. I like to get masks because I like to stay hydrated. Okay, so these are the mask items. You can have your daily mask and also the 7 solution gel mask. Okay, so okay, if you can see here, it shows here available West Malaysia only. Okay, this is to inform that currently this particular cooling and soothing mask is only available in West Malaysia, as the East Malaysia's stock is it ran out of stock in East Malaysia. Okay, so just say for example I want this moisture and brightness. Okay, just click add to cart. Okay, so whenever you are ready to check out, okay, just go to your view shopping cart button, which is on the right side. Okay, click it, and then this is all the summary of all the items that you have already added into the cart. Okay, so say for example you have added these 4 items, and then you may not want to check it out now, right now. Maybe you just want to check out 2 items. No worries, you can actually delete the items that you no longer need. Just say for example, okay, maybe I changed my mind, I don't need a mask and moisture, I mean this daily mask yet because I still have. Okay, so I just click delete button on the right side. Okay, and then you're left back with whatever items you've already added. Okay, so just say today I'll be just checking out just the liquid detergent and fabric detergent. So I just click onto these 2 items and I click order selected items. Okay, basically this part is to enter all your details so that they can ship it to the right location. Okay, phone number. Okay, then your email address. Okay, then you click I agree to receive payment confirmation email. Just click check on the box. Okay, so for your shipping, right, there's actually 2 options. First option is to directly ship to your house, which is free when your purchase is RM290 and above. If it's below RM290, then you have to pay a small courier fee. Okay, another option for those who are purchasing below RM290 is to actually send it to the education center. Okay, which you have already selected during the membership registration time. Okay, just click onto Education Center. Okay, so for this ID, right, the center M238 is actually the Taman Mega Center, has already been selected during the registration. So they will be sent to this center. So you just need to click select. Okay. Alright. So once your products arrive at the education center or the center, they will notify you, and then you can just go and collect it from them. Alright. So all the address is already filled up as you'll be sent to the center. Just need to key in your name. Okay, your name and your phone number. Okay, so once done, click to continue. Okay, so this will be the final page before you check out, whereby you can double check all the information, the price, the total amount of PV, your name, your ID, your address, and so on. Okay. Alright, so there's two methods of payment. So one is credit card, debit card, or online banking. So you come to the bottom here, total. You need to click yes, I agree in order to proceed. Okay, you can see Education Center, there's no shipping fee, it's RM0. Okay, so you click check out now. Okay, then there's actually a very amount of varieties of bank which you can pay your purchase with. Okay, for me, I'll be using my Maybank. Okay. Okay, so you just have to click continue. You're just asking the double check the amount is correct, 83 ringgit, continue. Okay, then when you come to this page, you will need to request for a TAC. Okay, so you just click onto request for the TAC button, and then this number will be sent to your phone. Okay, this is by the bank, not Atomy. Okay, once you receive your tag number, just key it in over here. Okay, once done, click confirm. Alright, so it shows here your purchase is successful, or the transaction is successful. The bank has already deducted the amount. Okay, click continue with transaction. Then click return to FPX. Basically, it will bring you back to the Atomy website. Alright, so congratulations. As you can see here, your order has been completed and you have successfully done the purchase. Alright, so this will be all for this online purchase video. If you have any comments or question, do ask the person that introduced you, or you can leave a comment under the comment section, and I will try to reply whenever I can. Alright, thank you.